Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is a 64 Chevy Chevelle SS, and this is by Hotwheels, and this is from their Muscle Mania series. And as usual, I bought this for 179, which is the MRP, and the price itself is very atrocious. And just for the sake of for unboxing, I'm just buying a lot of cars nowadays, and I'm not getting anything in return, either from YouTube or from anyone. So don't think, guys, that I'm having a lot of money. A lot of people are thinking like that, but actually it is not. I'm just surviving nowadays. Okay, here it is. So let's put this here. Okay, so the initial impressions of this car are like, it does look really nice, and out of the box it has a lot of paint issues. You can see here a lot of scratches, some dents in the hood here specifically. You can see it here. It is a paint blister, I guess. Yeah, it is hardened. The engine detail looks really nice. So my only thing is, if they had some better paint job on it, it would have really looked really awesome. It still looks awesome, but it could have been better. I really like the detailing here, and the chassis has nice detailing to it, and it is plastic. So the headlights are not painted, but it is embossed. So tail lights are also the same. It's not painted, but it's still embossed. So I don't know where the exhaust is. Okay, here it is. Here is the exhaust. So it does look really nice. Let's do a roll test. Okay, start from here. No, it doesn't roll at all. It doesn't roll really well. It moved the track slightly. But this is a normal push which I normally give. No. So if I'm giving this much of a push, then it is going there, and it has a lot of wheel wobble, specifically on the rear wheel. It is too much. So far whatever we unboxed in this from past week to till now, this is the worst one. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you like my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.